Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make Zimbabwean beef stew, only way. Begin by trimming and cutting 2 pounds of beef into 1-inch cubes and seasoning with salt and pepper. Brown the beef in batches to create fond, then remove and sauté onions, garlic, and carrots until softened. Deglaze with a splash of stock and crushed tomatoes, return the beef, and simmer gently until meltingly tender and flavorful. Gather your ingredients before you start to keep the flow smooth. Chop onions, garlic, carrots, and green pepper, and measure 2 cups of beef stock and a can of crushed tomatoes. Use 2 pounds of chuck for rich flavor, and have salt, pepper, paprika, and a bay leaf ready. This mise en place makes browning and simmering simple and stress-free for a cozy dinner. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: life is too short for cheap socks, so go darn tough for durable, comfy socks with a lifetime warranty, perfect for standing while you cook or serving guests. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Heat a heavy pot over medium-high and brown the beef in batches to capture savory fond. Sauté vegetables in the same pot, then add paprika, tomato, and stock, scraping up brown bits. Return beef, bring to a gentle simmer, cover partially, and cook low and slow until tender, checking occasionally. Adjust salt and acidity with a splash of vinegar or lemon to brighten the stew at the end.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.